Hello. What day is it?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. All right. Tuesday morning, Brockenhurst. We are upside down according to the camera. No, we're the right way up.
And we haven't
Oh,
even
well.
started walking yet.
Yeah. Yeah. Tuesday morning, Brockenhurst. We're going to do a walk. I think it's about 9.9 miles. Probably going to be a bit longer because it always is, and probably going to be a bit longer because we're going to the cake shop.
The best bit of the walk.
But as usual, before we set off, guess where we're going?
Toilet.
So, we're ready.
Logan,
Got all our kit on.
Logan's ready? Yeah,
Logan's
he's
ready. So, we're still at the van. So, let's get going and we'll do some more in a bit.
Wow, sun's shining. Nice start to the day, but ask me that at the end. I'll be knackered.
Yeah, we're up on, I don't know what this is called. Some sort
Grass.
of heath. Yeah, it's a big sort of heathland, which is right next to Blacknall Caravan site. Blacknall Caravan and Moto Club site. Anyway, yeah, it's a snappy name, isn't it? So yeah, we're just trying to walk along the heath for a bit. A little bit of a diversion to get to the cake shop because, well, we probably wouldn't make cake. So yeah, see you in a bit. Right, so in Brockenhurst, just thought I'd show you this. Nice little Ford. So we've driven through here many times, cycled through it many times. We've just walked through it. It's yeah, quite nice, very nice, and very villagey. So just off to the cake shop. Right, so we're a little way outside Brockenhurst.
It's a lovely day.
Hooray! And just found our way to the edge of the village, really. Big oak tree, more horses, and hopefully the last of the cars. So yeah, we're going this way. We're here. Wherever here is, we are
In the middle of Ant City.
yeah, definitely.
Logan's has got ants in his pants. Literally.
There are ants everywhere. This is the second place we've tried to stop. It's the least anty of the ant places, but it's definitely
Antville.
yeah.
So we've had to stand and have our cake.
It's like ant and deck, but no deck.
Yes.
So, but it's quite nice. We've got a log, so there you go. Me with my stupid thoughts decided that the other log wasn't good enough because it was on the ground. This log would be great because it's in the air. But
As you can see.
as you can, I don't know if you can see or not, but there are blooming ants all over it. Anyway, so Logan's whining because
He's had a bit of my donut.
where is he? I can't even see him. He's here somewhere. Ah, there he is. Yeah. So he's tied to the tree. We've got our bags all secured. Like that on the walking poles. That's pretty good. Let's go back. That's better. I'm in the sun. Right. So yeah. Don't know how far we've gone. We're 235 feet off course, I can tell you that. And we have done 5.4 miles. It's 2 hours and something in. 6.5 miles left. It's a Cape detour. My heart rate is dormant. And well, that's about it really. So yeah, all good. It says we're going to get back at 5:20. I don't flipping like the sound of that, so I don't think we will. But it's 12:15 at the moment. So biggest elevation we've got around here is 2%. So absolutely nothing. So nothing.
Great.
So yeah. So lovely day. Cracker of a day, and it's Tuesday.
Still got loads of the holiday left.
We shall officially call this Ants Tuesday from now on. So, anyway, right, onward.
See you later.
Well, we're back. It's about 2ish, I think. We've been a while. We've had a few detours, a few closed routes, so we've tried to take diversions, found those closed, so we've done a bit of mileage that we didn't really want. Been sat here for lunch. Nice little I'll just move the phone around there. So nice little log, and yeah, just been doing that really. Somebody's where is she? I don't even know where she is. Mrs. Todd is in there somewhere doing something that I don't want to see, whatever that may be. Actually, I have no idea where she is, but she's in there somewhere. So is Logan. Somewhere. I don't know. Logie! Here, boy. Come on. Here he is. Yeah, he's quite happy. He's been mooching around today. So, yeah, a few miles that we didn't expect to do. Just come out to the sun a little bit. It's really nice here. So, just noticed I'm looking quite coordinated with my blue glasses, my blue top, and then black and grey. Oh well. Ah, there she is. So she is there. Yeah, yes. So yeah, lovely little place. Nice stop for lunch. Very late lunch. Everywhere else we tried to stop was full of ants, so we didn't want ants in our pants. So yeah, I've been doing that. Logan's very happy because he's got a pine cone and he's doing his favourite thing of finding a pine cone, throwing it up in the air and then losing it. Anyway, onward. Well, nearly finished. We're about 13 miles in, just at a nice little place. The mutt is happily swimming.
Yeah, he'll be ready for his tea in a minute. So will we. All feeling a bit weary.
So
But
very
good
nice.
day, brilliant day.
Very nice here. Yeah, so we've had enough now. So it's suddenly got cold and
When I get back for our tea
yeah.
and I relax, probably just fall head first into the tea.
So, bye.
Bye for now.
Hey.
It's nearly the end of the evening. had a great day.
So it's probably about 5 hours since we finished the walk. We're still outside. We've had our tea outside. We're sat outside. We've got loads of clothes on. We got
Lights up.
nice lights. Just sat listening to the music. It's probably nearly 10 o'clock, but it's just really nice. I've got 3 pairs of trousers, including salopettes on, because I'm chilly willy.
I can't physically
And
put any more clothes on.
anyway, a nice day. So,
Yeah.
top day.